property,
This call is now being.
then commutativity, then associativity, then role of 0, role of 1, additive inverse.
સર
Yes, beta.
તમે
And
સર
multiplicative
ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટિવનું
inverse.
ન સમજાયું.
1 minute, beta. Yes, beta.
ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટિવનું ન સમજાયું.
Yes, exactly. Now just I am explaining you distributive property, right? Okay, now you can see. Today we have to start exercise 1.1, and before that, just I am explaining you one another property which is very common property. It is known as distributive property, right? Distributive property. What is the meaning of distributive property? I am giving you an example. For example, 2 into in bracket 3 plus 5, right? So you can see clearly, first we are doing 2 into 3 plus 5. First we are solving the bracket. 3 plus 5, 8. Now you can see 2 8s are 16. So 16 is your answer. But if you want to use distributive property, you can use also. You can see here. We are breaking the bracket. So you can see 2 into 3 plus, we have main sign, it is plus sign, right? 2 into 5. Now you can see 2 3s are 6 plus 2 5s are 10. Now add these two, we get final answer 16. Clear all of you? It is known as distributive property.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving you examples like alphabets, so you can clearly understand. You can see A into in bracket B plus C. So what is the answer? A into B plus A into C. It is known as distributive property. Any doubt, boys?
સર આ લખવાનું છે.
Ha, beta.
નો ડાઉટ.
You have to write down this distributive property, nothing else.
No doubt, sir.
Just you have to write down this thing.
હા યસ સર.
Beta, all of you?
યસ સર સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લીધો પછી લખી નાખજો.
Okay. So now we are starting exercise 1.1. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
સર ઓલા સાઈડમાં તો કરે સર થોડાક બાકી થાય.
Question number 1.
Sir, exercise 1.1.
Can you see my textbook?
યસ યસ સર.
યસ
યસ.
Okay. Can you see exercise 1.1?
યસ.
Okay, now you can see the question number 1. Using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. We have to solve this question. We have to simplify, but with the help of appropriate properties, right? So we have to mention the properties. Which property? We discussed 4 properties: closure property, commutativity property, associativity property, and distributive property. Out of these 4 properties, we have to use appropriate property to solve this question. Clear, all of you? Clear, boys?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see live board. I'm writing the question over there. Minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Then plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Please mute your mic, all of you. Okay, now you can see we have to solve these questions with the help of properties. Which property we have to use? Closure, commutativity, associativity, and distributive. Out of these 4 property, we are using here properties. Now you can see first this 2 number, minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5, and minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 6. In which you can see 3 by 5, it is common number. Right?
Yes.
So first we are using commutative property to change the place of number. Commutativity property, it is useful whenever you have to change the place of any number. So first we are using commutativity property. You can see I am changing the place. 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Now you can see I am writing 5 by 2 at the last, and minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 I am taking at the second number, and 5 by 2 I am writing at the last. So you can see which property we are using. Which property we are using? Commutativity. Yes or no? Yes or no? Boys,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
commutativity property no આપણે use કર્યો. Why? Because of we have to change the position of number, and whenever you change the position of a number, what we have to use? We have to use commutative property. Right? Now you can see
Yes, sir.
these 2 numbers. First 2 numbers. First number minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, and second number minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. In this 2 number, 3 by 5 is common number. So we are taking 3 by 5 as common. So what is left in bracket? In first number, minus 2 by 3 will be left. And in second number, minus 1 by 6 will be left. Yes or no? Here we are using distributive property. You can see 3 by 5
Yes, sir.
into minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So we are writing here which property we are using? Distributive property. Clear, all of you? Now you can see we are writing 3 by 5 as it is. Now you can see in bracket, first we have to solve the bracket. How can we solve the bracket? Can anyone tell me? If we have equal denominator, then we can solve easily. But here you can see in first number denominator is 3, in second number denominator is 6. So first we have to do equal denominator, and for this we are multiplying the first number with 2. Why with 2? So in denominator 3 2s will be 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is the answer? Now you can see it is very easy. Minus 2 2s are minus 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. You can see 3 by 5. Now you can easily add or subtract numerator. Why? Because of denominator are equal. So you can see minus 4 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 5 by 2. Again you can see 3 by 5 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now we are removing bracket, so it is in multiplication, right? Plus 5 by 2. Now you can see we can directly cut 5, 5 will be cut, 3 2s are 6. So what is the answer? In numerator, only negative sign is left, so it means minus 1 is left. In denominator, we have only 2. Plus third number 5 by 2 we have to write down as it is. Now you can see at the final answer denominator will be 2, it is equal, so we can directly add the numerator minus 1 plus 5
minus
divided
6
by 2.
by 2,
minus 4 upon 2.
No beta, minus 1
minus
plus
6
5 is
upon 2.
minus plus minus, and we have to write down the sign of bigger number, and bigger number is 5, so it is positive 4 divided by 2. So what is the answer? 2 2s are 4. So our final answer is 2. Clear all of you? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
So like this, we are using appropriate property to solve this question. Okay? Okay, now you can see the second question. Second question is given
The
that
first
2
question
by
લખવાનું
5
બાકી છે.
into minus 3 by 7 into minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. I am writing the question on live board. Please see.
Sir, first answer લખવાનું બાકી છે. Sir, sir,
Yes, beta.
first answer લખવાનું બાકી છે.
What?
First answer લખવાનું બાકી છે.
Ah, beta, I am giving you time for writing. Just I am explaining you every question first, right? Okay, you can see the question 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6
Multiply by 3
3
by
into
2.
3
upon 2
by
plus
2
1 upon 14.
plus
1
1 by
upon 14.
14 into 2 by 5.
5.
You can see we have three different number. First number, second number, and third number. Now you can see in first and third
2
number 2
by
by 5
7 is
will be common, right? So first we are using commutative property to change the position of number. So what we have to do? We are doing 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Now we are changing the position. From 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 we are taking at the second position, and minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 we are taking to the left side, right side. Which property we are using here? Commutativity. Clear all of you? Now you can see this first and second number in which 2 by 5 will be common. So we are taking 2 by 5 as common. Now minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 will be left, and the last number 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Here, which property we are using? It is distributive property. Which property? You can see distributive property. A into B plus C. Right?
સર
Yes.
2 by 5 रह गया.
2 by 5. Now you can see in bracket, if you want to solve, first we have to do equal denominator. And for this, in first number minus 3 by 7, we are multiplying 2. So our denominator will be equal. So minus 3 into 2, 7 into 2 plus 1 by 40. And minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Right? So you can see minus 3 2s are minus 6 upon 14 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now you can see we can easily solve the numerator minus 6 plus 1 divided by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So 2 by 5 in bracket minus 6 plus 1 means minus plus minus, and we have to write down the sign of bigger number. So bigger number is minus 6. So it means minus
minus
5
5 upon 14.
upon 14. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. You can see 5 will be directly cut. 2 sevens are 14. So in numerator, we
1
have
upon
only
4.
negative sign. So it means minus 1. In denominator, we have 7. Minus. Now we have to solve the second number. 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. You can see 3 twos are 6.
So
So
1
in
upon 4.
numerator, only minus 1. And in denominator, 2 twos are 4.
4.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what we have to do? Now we have to solve these
Minus 4
questions with the
minus
help of LCM. Right? So we are doing cross multiplication. Yes or no? So we are doing cross multiplication. You can
Sir,
see minus 1 4s are minus 4, minus 7, sorry, minus 1 7s are minus 7 upon 7 4s are 28. So what is the
So
final answer?
11
Minus
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 11 upon
plus.
28.
Minus minus plus
Wow.
4 and 7 11, and
11.
sign of bigger number means minus 11 upon
28.
28. It is your
This
final
is our
answer.
answer.
Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Sir, method
Okay,
एक
now write down these two questions.
Okay, sir.
Write down fast.
जो zoom करो फर्स्ट पर zoom करो ना आंसर नंबर फर्स्ट पर zoom करो ना
શરાફત સર
हाँ.
સર પછી આપણે પ્રોપર્ટી લખવાનું કે આ પ્રોપર્ટી થી આપણે કર્યું
Yes, beta. We have to write down property. We have to mention.
એસોસિએટિવ પ્રોપર્ટી છે ને એને સર ફર્સ્ટમાં
Yes.
Yes, sir.
સર મારે થઈ ગયું
What?
સર આ બે ક્વેશ્ચન મારે થઈ ગયા
Okay, no problem. Write down fast.
શરાફત સર મારે થઈ ગયા
Okay.
और बाकी છે सर सेकंड आंसर पर zoom करो ना
What? Second answer को zoom करूँ? No.
Writing first.
Yes. Okay.
સર આ 7 છે કે 1 છે નંબર?
In which step?
સર એ સેકન્ડ લાસ્ટ.
-1/7, -1/4.
ઓકે.
Written all of you.
No, sir, second one.
યસ.
Those who are still writing, please take a screenshot of this board and write down everything after the lecture.
સર સેકન્ડમાં કટ કર્યું છે અહીંયા શું લખ્યું છે?
Where?
2/5 પછી સેકન્ડમાં કટ કર્યું છે 2/5 પછી.
In which step? Here?
યા
-5/14. So 5 will be directly cut and 2 sevens are 14.
ઓકે.
Okay? Okay, those who are still writing, please take a screenshot of this board. Please take a screenshot. We have no more time. We have to solve the next question. Written all of you? Okay, now you can see question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. This question is very easy, you can see. We have to write down additive inverse. What is the meaning of additive inverse? I just explained you in last lecture. Additive inverse means we have to change the sign from positive to negative and negative to positive, right? And in multiplicative inverse, we have to change the position of number from numerator to denominator and from denominator to numerator. It is the basic difference between this additive inverse and multiplicative inverse, right? So you can see 2/8. So what is the additive inverse of it? We have to change the sign.
-2/8.
Exactly. The number is positive, so it's become negative whenever you take additive inverse. So 2/8 means -2/8. So what is the answer? In question number 2,
-2/8. Sir, answer is -2.
yes, exactly. Additive inverse. We have to write down in first 2/8. So what is the answer? -2/8. In second question, -5/9.
Sir, 5/9.
Exactly. -5/9. So it's become positive 5/9. Exactly. Then third, -6/-5. Here you can
Sir,
see, you know that very well,
-6/5.
-6/-5. So here we are changing the sign of only numerator. So it's become 6/-5, and we are taking the negative sign to the numerator. So it's become -6/5. Clear
Yes,
all of
sir,
you?
-6. Yes, sir. Minus 6 upon 5.
Then 2 upon minus 9.
2 upon
2
minus
upon
9.
minus 9. So we know that we have to change the sign of numerator. So minus 2 upon minus 9
2
and
upon
minus
9.
minus plus. So what is the answer? 2 by 9.
2 upon 9. 2
Then
by 9. Then 19 minus 6. 19 upon minus 6.
19 upon minus 6, exactly. 19 upon minus 6. So again same thing, we are changing the sign of numerator. So
19
minus
upon
19
6.
by minus 6 and minus minus plus. So what is the
19
answer?
upon 6.
19 by 6. So it is your question number 2. Please write down question number 2.
सर हमको प्लस के साइन करनी है.
Yes, beta.
ओके सर.
We have to show that whenever you take additive inverse, we are changing the sign of numerator only. Okay? And then after, if it in denominator we have negative sign, then we are uh, cut these two negative sign and number becomes positive. Written all of you.
Yes, sir.
सर एक
हाँ
मिनट.
सर.
Sir, return question number 3.
Okay. Now question number 3. Verify that minus
सर थोड़ा
in
सा बाकी है.
हाँ 1 minute कोई बात नहीं. Minus in bracket minus x is equal to x for x is equal to 11 by 15 and x is equal to minus 13 by 17. You can see. Question number 3, we have to verify that minus x is equal to x, and for which value x is equal to given 11 by 15 and minus 13 by 17. Okay. Now you can see first we are putting left hand side. Left hand side is equal to minus x. Yes or no? In which we are
Yes,
putting
sir.
the value, we are substituting value of x. It is 11 by 15. Now you can see
Yes, sir.
whenever you open the bracket, we know that the bracket is in multiplication. And in 7th standard, you already study about all the signs. If minus minus in multiplication, it's become positive. And 11 by 15 is equal to x, and it is the value of right hand side. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Yes or no?
થોડુંક બાકી હતું.
1 minute, 1 minute. I am showing everything. Please wait. Okay, now for another number, minus 13 by 17. So you can see left hand side is equal to minus x we have, in which minus value of x is also minus 13 by 17. Now you can see if I open the first bracket, so minus plus 13 by 17, right? And you know that in multiplication minus plus minus, so 13 by
Minus
17,
13 upon 17. Minus 13
and it
upon
is
17.
right hand side, and right hand side is equal to left hand side. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
now write down question number 2 and 3 fast. Write down fast.
Okay, sir.
Now in next lecture, we will discuss question number 4. Okay, we will do question number 4 in next lecture. Write down these two questions.
Question we have to write minus b. One such pair was the example given in the questions. A value greater than 6 and B value greater 6 divided by minus 2 equals 59. Same is equal to 2 by 5 subtract. Okay. So you can easily do this. That's all. No. Hello.
Sir, done. Sarapat sir, done.
Written all of you?
સર બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ
Yes,
સર નો
sir.
અવાજ આવે છે.
Okay, no problem. I am drinking water during this time.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Written all of you boys?
Sir, वो open वाला सिखाओ ना.
રિટર્ન
Yes, sir.
Okay, who are speaking about homework?
Sir, वो
મમ્મા
next
દઈ
Yes, beta, Mohammad Ali.
वो open वाला सिखाओ ना वो. वो
શું બેટા
maths का
હોમવર્ક માટે?
open वाला सिखाओ open वाला.
Mohammad Abbas, after 11 o'clock, Mohammad Ali, after 11 o'clock, please call me. I am not hearing properly. Okay? Mohammad Ali. Okay, boys, any doubt? Boys?
નો સર નો
No
ડાઉટ
sir.
નો ડાઉટ.
No sir.
Okay.
No doubt.
So we will meet in next lecture in which we are starting from question number 4.
ગુડ
Okay?
Sir,
ઓકે સર બાય
हाँ
સર
मोहम्मद अली.
ટેક કેર.
हमारा कितना chapter बाकी है?
Beta, please mute your mic, all of you. Mohammad Ali is speaking. Mohammad Ali?
Yes sir.
हाँ बेटा बोल.
देखो सर मेरा फेसबुक हो जाएगा फिर आपको फोटो फाड़ के मोकल देता हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आराम से सेंड कर. ओके?
मैं सब बाकी है फेसबुक.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, 1-2 दिन में कंप्लीट करके सब सेंड कर देना, ठीक है?
ओके.
ओके. ओके चलो बाय ऑल ऑफ यू.
બાય
Bye
સર
sir.
હેવ અ નાઇસ ડે ટેક કેર.
Question 3 માં શું કરવાનું હતું? તો સાહેબ મારું પણ આવું થાય છે.